Forgot my sweater. Yeah. Alright, dead ass. We're finally getting a whip. It's been a long run. It's my boy Baker.
What up?
Guess what kind of car we're in? Alright, cool.
Let
Let
me
me
show you a little.
No, you gotta put your zip code
Oh
in.
shit, my bad. My zip code? Like
Yeah,
personal?
for the card.
It's not even going. Oh fuck, never mind. I pressed it 5 times.
Okay, now you gotta redo it again.
Shit.
Yeah. Bro, I hate getting this shit washed. Like, I would get it deeply ass washed, like, fucking
Cancel.
$25.
Alright, oh there we go. Oh my gosh.
What?
Says see cashier.
Okay, wait.
Stressful.
Okay, we'll go to somewhere else then.
A different
Yeah, we're doing a different part.
A different pump. Alright, I'll just stay out here.
I'm just gonna leave your gas tank open.
Look. The little nozzle thing on the end?
Yeah, it's like a, I don't even know what the fuck it's called. This is crazy, boy.
This guy's robbing me right now. Look at this. Robbing me. Robbing me. Yeah, sometimes. Alright, we're going to the bank real quick. Then we're out ya. Fucking cruising on the highway. 55-mile-an-hour speed limit.
Oh man, look at that one in Genesis.
Where?
Right behind us. 2013 probably. Fucking 3.8 liter.
You say Hyundai or Honda?
Hyundai.
My dead ass had to take out like $200 at a time right now. Shit. Fuck. Continue. Oh my fucking gosh. So my bank won't let me take out more than $800. So I don't know what the fuck's going on. Alright. After being on the fucking phone for like an hour, cashing out. And this motherfucker lost his keys. Oh, no.
Found
I got
him.
him. Alright, we're good. Oh, shit. We're good. We're on the way. We're going right now. Alright. Yo, there's no Walmart in sight. Like, we're in the middle of butt fuck nowhere right now.
Yeah.
Like, don't join the military. This is what happens. My phone's about to die. Like, I'm pretty hurt right now. Where? Alright, pulling up right now. We're just looking for it. Oh, there it is. Hell yeah. I mean, it looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
Before my shit dies. There it is. I'm getting it. We getting it, boy. We mobbing. I'm gonna try to get a phone charger from it. Yo. Oh, fuck. Trying to get a good spot to put this camera, but I got the car. I'm struggling so hard right now. Alright. Nope, that's not a good spot either. Alright, I'll just hold it. I got the car. Talked him down like $500. Got another Integra. So I'm pretty stoked about it. It's gonna need a little bit of work. It needs wheels ASAP. Because these things are like fucking bent. What else? I don't know what else, but I'll check back in a little bit when I can actually talk about the car. First fill up. Ooh, that's not a good angle actually. Okay. Nice. Alright. Filling her up. First time. First fill up. Fucking lit. What do you guys think? I loved it. I love it. I did. Well, alright, damn, icy. Right there.
What type of car is it?
It's an Integra.
Hey.
Lit. So, I always forget to put people's gas caps on. I've lost like 5 people's gas caps. It's fucking hilarious. Here it is. Don't mind this donut. I got the wheel in the back. Fresh paint. Everything. Clean? Motherfucker. Yeah, this is a short ass video, but I might go pick up some wheels tonight. And if I do, then I'll film that shit, I guess. Because these wheels are way too fucking big. I'm about to take this fucking wing off right now. That's how it looks with it. Shit, it looks pretty good actually. Not gonna lie. Damn, that's way better. Ooh. Gotta patch up these holes. But whatever. Looks way fucking better. Damn, the donut killed it so bad. I want to get white wheels on the car. It's gonna look butter, like super clean. And I want this build to be like super clean. I don't care about making it faster or anything like that. I just want it to be so clean. Like not super slammed or anything. I don't really like that stuff, but let me know what you want me to do to the car. I'm gonna get white wheels on it. That's my first mission. So probably if I find some on Craigslist or something, I'll go pick them up. Even tonight, it's only like 8 o'clock. I'll go pick some up tonight if I can. And yeah, let me know what you want to see. What do you think about the car? You like it? I'm also gonna be getting a street bike pretty soon. Like that's gonna happen really soon. But I'm going to the field for like 2 or 3 weeks, so can't be doing too much work. So next week I'm leaving to the field for 2 weeks. I think then I'll be back and I can start doing a lot of stuff to the car, and I can go pick up a street bike too. So that'd be pretty cool. I'll try to start making a lot more videos. I can even start doing moto vlogs if you guys would be down for that. Start stunting again. Yep. That's it for today's video. Sorry it was so short. Let me know what you think about the car. Let me know what you want to see. Alright, funny shit. Funny shit. My car got towed last night. So, yes, I'm in a fucking hurry right now to go to DMV and get that shit out. Keep you updated. Bro, are you gonna get it?
They're taking that spot.
Nah, get it. Just grab it real quick.
She's taking it. She took the other one.
Yeah, get that shit.
Fuck!
Bro, get it.
Where am I put it?
But you're a fucking asshole.
Where am I put it? Shit.
People be cleaning this parking lot all day and shit.
That's what they get paid to do.
Nah, okay?
You know what? You're right. We're the fucking military.
Serving your country and you're throwing trash on the floor. I just guilt tripped into picking up his trash. There you go. He's squared away. Alright, good shit. Yeah, I'm waiting to get a signature notarized. That's really it. I don't know what that means, but okay.
What up, dude? Show respect.
Okay, I'm going to get this freaking signature notarized, and I'm meeting this chick at a Walmart, and we went to the wrong one.
Show respect, bro.
What you thinking, Baker?
The flag is right here.
Shut the fuck up, boy. Alright, like fucking 3 days later of it being in the impound, we finally get in this hoe. Finally. Damn. Getting it right now. Pulling up. Oh, there's my baby girl. Oh. Hell yeah. We're in there. We are in there. Car's already fucking having problems. Already. I am hurt right now. So it keeps like bogging out. So like it just keeps shutting off because it's not warmed up. Which I've had these problems before with cars, so it shouldn't be a big deal. It's like the IACV or whatever the fuck it's called, idle air control valve, or the TPS, or what the fuck else could it be? The CPS, crank position sensor. See, I haven't worked with cars in like 6 months now, but whatever, we'll get it fixed. Hell yeah, we'll get it fixed. But I finally got my car back, so fuck yeah. Alright, we back in business, boy. What you gotta say, Baker?
Finally, bro. Now, get off these donuts.
Get off these donuts. I don't even want to look at it. Alright, let's show it. Let's show the donut. Ah, I killed it so fucking bad. I mean freaking, sorry. Let me stop cussing. Alright. I'm gonna get wheels for this car because it needs fucking wheels. I don't know what's wrong with them. They're like unbalanced or something, and they're way too big for the car, so it just rubs on the top of the fender well. And the alignment's terrible. So I'm just gonna make this video, and then I'll put the wheel video in another one because I plan on getting them this weekend. And then I'll upload that video whenever I upload it. So this should be the end of the video. Oh, actually, when I get back to my room, not my room, my barracks, I'll do another walk around on the car just to show you guys what's up, because it looks clean as hell, honestly. It's a GSR, but it has a B18B, so they must have exploded the B18C motor and just put the B18B in it, which sucks, but I got it for a cheap price, so whatever. You're not gonna get a GSR for cheap. My gas light's on. Yeah. Let's see. Damn.
Dude, look.
Yo, what kind
2
of
liter
wheels?
intake.
What kind of wheel, or not kind, what color wheel should he get?
Yeah, man, what color wheels?
Buffalo Wild Wings? That's it? Video's done. That's it.